W6. Welcome to my radio room here on Wolf Mountain. I received a package and a letter from the ham who evacuated from Paradise, California. And I say evacuated, it's more like escaped. A very dangerous situation. In that package was a thumb drive, and I've taken portions of the video, cut it down in time to a few minutes. I'd like to play that after I read the letter that he enclosed with the package. Let me warn you, it is a frightening video. It is scary to watch. I will also upload the entire video, which amazingly, I don't know how he found the time, but he put it together, put some titles along with it to explain what was going on. All for our benefit, to warn us to get out and get out early. He writes, the flash drive in this envelope is a recent very serious escape from the firestorm that decimated the town of Paradise, the town where 3 short months ago we purchased our retirement home. At last count, 13,972 residences, 528 commercial buildings, 4,290 other structures burned, and latest report, 85 people died. Since he wrote this letter, I think it's increased. Looking back, it is still a miracle that we got out, as we had no warnings other than a precautionary weather alert 2 days before from PG&E that high winds were expected on Thursday that may trigger power outages by PG&E, Pacific Gas and Electric. Initially, the morning started as usual. My wife got up as she usually does. She was looking out the window. She observed a very onerous sky, and after opening the family room sliding glass door, she could smell the smoke, and it wasn't from the fireplace. However, the sky just didn't look right. The orange signs of a sunrise were coming both from the east and from the west. She proceeded to wake me and our son, and we got up and checked the California Fire Department website, which showed nothing. During this time, my son and I, the dog Bailey, went out for their morning walk and sweeping the pine needles off of the back deck. I checked CAL FIRE site again, and this time it showed a fire growing to the east of us about 10 miles away. At that point, there was no time to lose. We gathered our important papers, which had already been boxed up as a precaution. My wife gathered some personal items of her own. We put the dog and the cat in the car along with our son. Yet looking back at the time not spent running back and forth to the house may also have been a blessing. As when we got into the car and departed heading towards the road, burning embers were flying all around us. The pine tree next to the house at the end of the drive, the end of the street, was already on fire. We merged onto the street, and it took 15 minutes to go just a couple of blocks. And all that seemed to be the wrong direction at the time. It is at this point that the video picks up our escape. It was kind and generous of the amateur radio operator in Paradise to send a copy of his video, or to make the video for us. And he's doing that to warn us to get out. In the case of a fire that's like that, just get out. There's no point in staying behind. You can't save your house. You probably can't save anything except what you can pick up and carry, and that needs to be done very quickly. It's really kind of this guy to send this video to us. So again, be warned, it is graphic. It is showing total destruction. I think what I'll do at this point is put up a couple of slides first. They are before and after pictures of the retirement residence that they bought three months ago, roughly in September of 2018. See the before and after pictures. I've done a freeze frame of the ambulance burning, and then his video will begin. And again, I've chopped it in places to shorten it up some. If you haven't subscribed, please do that. If you have any questions, post it below. If you have a comment after you watch the rest of this video, please put that below. So let's start the video. At the end of it, I'm not going to add anything. I think I'll wait for people to make comments.
I'm sitting on top of it.
Oh, come on, I can feel the heat. Come on, guys, move. It must be a
Let's power lights down.
oh, power line is down.
Oh, that's what I said.
Oh, I didn't know what it said, mate. Here.
Move cars.
Well, if you go.
No, I don't want to go there. I got stuck.
Okay, all right.
The power lines probably aren't live anyway. So.
Oh yeah, but still.
If you want to get, that's light stuff.
It takes so damn long. Get this traffic out of the way.
Oh, it's the transformers that are blowing. That was up above.
They should have traffic control. Billy Road getting cars out of the.
If this guy could move over, but he won't. I think you gotta pull.
I'm not going to go over there.
I don't want this power pole to hit us. Well, it's going.
It's not going.
It's right there on fire.
Yeah, it's not falling over anytime soon.
Ooh, the glass is piping hot. The
The
car.
emergency alert system didn't go off either. I never heard any warning.